today. Guys, stop. Hi everyone, so today I'm gonna be recreating this super cute heart tote bag that I actually made 2 summers ago. But honestly, it's pretty ratty now. I didn't use the best yarn and it wasn't that well taken care of. But yeah, I did want to make one that was a little bit bigger as well. Yeah, but let's get started. 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. And then also you need scissors. And then I'm using light purple and dark purple because Halloween. Wow! This ball is Lionsgate yarn, but it's the same size. This is both acrylic yarn. And it's a medium 4 weight. Alright, I'm just gonna open this one up, find the middle, and then we can get started. So I actually don't know where the center of this one is. And I'm worried that if I guess I'll mess this whole ball up.
5 seconds later.
Crochet is supposed to calm me down. Yes, that's great. And it's not even the end. The free. Well, I guess I'm pulling out the one now. I knew it was a mistake. It was too good to be true. Okay, you're such a perfect little ball. The freak. Okay, so all of this is actually from the middle. I just was not paying attention. I'm a crocheter. I should not have this problem. Look what I've done. Did you see how nice and small the ball was before? And I was like, oh my. Okay, so, you know, actually, we're just gonna find an end and hope that yapping myself basically divides so that. But literally nothing, to be quite honest. So out of the way. Okay, I see the problem. I'm the problem. I messed this up. I should just trust my gut. Life hack, trust your gut. That's probably right. Oh my. I was like, I'm gonna close, I'm just gonna pick up a whole other section. Boy. Okay, good sign, good sign, good sign, good sign, good sign, good sign. Okay, so basically, let's check the progress. It is currently 12 p.m. Yeah, last time I filmed was about 7. So, let's finish this row. Together, better together. Boy, get out the way. Your ball's in the way again. What did you do? I know. Does anyone ever wonder what life would be like without crochet? No? Okay. Oh, I just remembered I've been doing this. Guess what? I really need one. So I can get the maternity roots with this. Time to watch Hocus Pocus. See these Hocus Pocus. Huge on Orleans. I got like my Orleans. They kind of creep me out. No. You know how long it took me to unravel a quarter of the version, and it was spelled. Oh, there's a one there that just is not. Oh my god, she's cute. Oh, she's cute. She's really cute. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit. The time is 2:45. Yeah. It is almost 3 a.m. You might be wondering, Jenna, why are you still awake? So I have about 2 more if I decide to do it, but this is what we got so far. This is row 8, and on the other one I did 10 rows, but I don't know, we'll see. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Alright, we're back. So, where did they go? So we have the panels, super cute. They're a lot bigger than I realized. Like, low-key, I could turn this into a little shirt. Anyways, ended up doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 rows. Honestly, I'm just gonna sew them together. And that's really it for now. So we're just gonna go like this, put them together, and then we're just gonna Alright, so I went ahead and I sewed the rest of this, and then I did actually start the strap. And we're just gonna do the other. Alright, so it's about 15 minutes later, and I finished the strap, which it didn't take me that long actually. So now we just need to sew the straps onto here, and then we are all done. Alright, so I finally finished the bag. Here it is. I actually love it so much. If you guys want a real tutorial, because I know that wasn't really an actual tutorial, then let me know. I think it turned out so cute, and I'll definitely use it a lot for work, everything. So yeah, let me know if you want a tutorial, and thanks so much for watching. I hope to see you again here soon.